Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT and Hey Josephine.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Tom。
I love it when I beat Alice to saying my own name on the air in Hakka. But anyways, 我们今天要讲的就是 during this month and next month, it's the Tongue Flower Festival. And aside from the festival, there's a lot of other exhibitions that are going around the island in Taiwan.
有啊。
那在展览里面我们可以看到什么呢？
像以前嘅話，有像那個童話創意嘅 DIY。DIY
哦，這是
自家做啊，做有關童話嘅相關嘅。
就 do it yourself 嘛，DIY。所以你的意思就是說有很多產品是跟油桐花一起結合在一起了。
錯，像我以前買過嘅衫褲。
伞服，衣服嗎？
錯，
okay.
就有啲童話嘅樣。
That's right, and it looks very beautiful too. Okay, so what Alice is saying, there's a lot of, they actually call it creative DIY products out there, and a lot of people are making items that are related to the tongue flower, whether it be clothes, 有可能衣服，然後也有可能
茶菇、肥皂。
茶菇是肥皂。A little review, they make tongue flower soap. What else?
還有看過咧童話嘅燭台。燭台
啊，正想講說應該是燭台。So they also make a lot of other products such as candle holders, and it's made of, it's not made of tongue flower, but there's design of tongue flower. 其實它並不是說要用油桐花木啦，或者是說桐花來做這個產品，而是裡面可能有那些圖案。
用圖案。
Okay. So aside from all these products out there, I understand at these exhibitions you can also find Hakka delicacies. 也可以吃到一些客家美食，對不對？
客家美食了。
好吃啊。Okay.
懂好吃了
就很好吃啊。Very delicious. Yes, you can taste some Hakka food, of course, at these places. And finally, talking about Hakka culture, you're going to think about music, so you can experience a bit of Hakka music.
有啊，客家嘅音樂表演。
As you can see, this whole Tongue Flower Blossom is filling up the month with a lot of activities all over the island. You can check it out, of course, on the Hakka Affairs website. 当然，我们这个所讨论的这些活动呢，永远呢在我们的客委会的网站上面呢，也可以获得更多的资讯，对不对？
錯。
網址是
www.hakka.gov.tw.
All right, thank you so much. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
師傅大家，
子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.